my name's Jess. I hope you're ready for episode 2 of the Gearing Gadget series. This one is extra special because I won't be talking about something that helps with photos at all. The gadget I'm going to be showing you today is for video. And let me tell you, this thing will make creating video content super easy. So let's get started. This thing is a rotating product display, and it works exactly how you think. It's going to rotate anything we put on it. All you need to do is just put your phone or camera on a tripod so the frame doesn't move. It comes with this little remote that lets you start it, change its direction, and speed it up. It also came with these cute little covers, but we're not going to need them. You see, I have an idea on a unique way that we could use this. Hear me out, but what if we put a surface on this thing? Like, just place a surface directly on top of it. Do you think it would work? Alright, you gotta admit, this already is looking pretty cool. What makes this even cooler is now we can actually do larger products on here. Let alone, we can place any surface on this. Normally, videos with these rotating stands only have white, but not for us. Though I'll start with all white. In fact, here's a video I made using all white surface with it. Now, we're not discussing video editing today, but we might be in a different episode. Foreshadowing. Anyway, it was edited in CapCut, which is a free app. This video was extremely easy to make. All I did was just place a product on it and hit record. Let's try another one with a more colorful surface. All I'm gonna do is place my surface on here, add my product, and hit record. Here's how this video turned out. Like I said in the beginning, this piece of gear makes creating video content super easy. And what's so special about these type of videos is how versatile they are. You can add them to a listing to your website, post them as a reel on Instagram or TikTok, or even use them to run as an ad. Let's check out another one. So this is a video I'm making to go along with photos I did for someone's Kickstarter, which, can we just take a moment to talk about how cute these plushies are? I just absolutely adore them. Since they're sushi, we wanted to make their photos look like a sushi menu. And here's how that turned out. For the video, I wanted it to kind of match that vibe, which I was totally able to do with slate as the background surface, and then I just put black gloss on the rotating stand. Super cute. So, if you've ever struggled with creating video content, I definitely recommend pick one of these up. They're a lot of fun, and you can see they're really easy to use. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye!